Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to graph this function y equals 1/2 times x. Remember, this is your input. The numbers in the input is called a domain. This is output. The numbers in the output is called range. All right, let's talk about how do we do this. When x is 0, what is y? So what you do is put a 0 here, find out what is y. 1/2 times 0 is y. Y is 0. Next one, when x is 2, what is y? 1/2 times 2, that is y. Y is 1. Next one, 1/2 times 4, what is y? 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Next one, 1/2 times x is 6. That is your y. What is y? Y is 3. Last one, around the space, I'm going to put down here. 1/2 times 8. That is y. What is y? Y is 4. All right, you're just finishing, substitute the value and calculating. The next step, guess what? These are actually your coordinate pairs, the points that you can plot on the coordinate plane. First one, let's read as 0, 0. So your first point is 0, 0. I'm going to use the same color so I can be consistent. The next point is 2, 2, 1. The next point is 4, 2, 4, 2. Guess what? I'm just going to go ahead and write all my domains first so I can save some time and your time. And next one is 6, 3, and 8, 4. Okay? Now, you got 5 coordinate pairs. Our next step is we're going to plot the points for each ordered pair. This is x, this is y. Once again, I'm going to put this pink, x and y. Okay? And that's better. Now, we're going to graph it. Okay, our first point is 0, 0. Let's get a different color. 0, 0. That's our first point. Next one is 2, 1. 2, 1. Next one is 4, 2. 4, 2. Next one is 6, 3. 6, 3. Okay? And next one is 8, 4. That's it. We got our 5 little points, and we're done with graphing. Remember earlier we talked about how do you represent functions. You can use graph. You can use a table. You can use a pairing, and that's a mapping. And you can write down a function rule. You can even tell us a story. Remember all this problem you say in your math class, there in your real life. Happy learning.